Sorry, good. Do I look clear?
Look a little dark.
I can fix that.
Oh, there it is.
How about now?
That's better.
Welcome to an unboxing video.
Disagree.
Shut up.
We have a
Man, it's bright out there.
we have a Black & Decker Dustbuster. It's cordless. Now let's open it. No, mine.
Boxing video.
Take your Oreos. Oh, actually, make some crumbs real quick. I gotta fix this out.
Oh.
Yeah, but watch, you have to charge it and then you can't.
Not like that.
Anyway, this is his unboxing.
Benedict.
What? Benedict.
Man, my hand smells like Oreos now.
We have a I don't know what that is.
This is a vacuum for your nose.
We have a power cord.
Ooh, a charger.
Look! Instructions that we use. Oh,
We never look at instructions.
time for the biggest review.
Time to act like it goes.
That was me.
Watch you shut up. This is the Dustbuster.
Watch it need charged. Ooh, it works.
It's not no Dustbuster. It's a freaking.
Let's do an example, guys. Let's take this.
Okay, let's see.
Gotta get ready to see this.
Derek!
Right on the Ouija board.
Daddy's not gonna like you.
Now we take this.
What if it doesn't work as well as you think? It's gonna just. He did it!
I'm flabbergasted. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, you can also empty it too.
Case.
Problems?
And you just dump it out. It's a weird video.
Alright, my arms are tired. Your camera's heavy. I gotta go. Camera's heavy.
Thanks for watching.